going to look at a few more prisms. I think this will help us get an idea of what's going on with this. The assignment 8-4 has a prism that looks very much like this. It's quite similar. It's a right triangular prism. So you see that we have that right triangle right there. And the lengths of those legs here, it's 8 and 6. These lengths are the same. So this is 8 and 6. Now what that means is we have the area of a triangle. I'm going to, instead of using area, I'm going to call it big B because that's the area of the triangle. Remember, that's 1/2 base times height, little b. Well, the base and height here are 6 and 8. So this is 1/2 times 6 times 8, which is 24. So that's the area of my base. The next thing I have to do is find out the height of my prism. Now I know that this is we're talking about heights, but we're talking about the height of the prism versus the height of the base, and they're different. Okay? Now we might have thought that 8 was the height of the base, but the height of the prism has actually got to be the distance between the bases. So this is the height of the prism. So I'm going to use my volume calculation. I'm going to say, well, that's 24 times 11, because that's the height there. Now 24 times 11 is 264. Our units will be cubic meters. Okay? So that's very important that we make that distinction on height of a prism versus height of the base. Okay? Let's look at this other example. These are like question 6 and 7 are similar to this. They're using the Apothem formula. And the Apothem formula basically states that if we have a regular polygon, which in this case we do, the area is 1/2 Apothem perimeter. Okay? So let's see if we can figure this out. I know what the apothem is. That's the distance that's shown right here. That's my apothem. So that's 8.3. But my perimeter is another story. Now again, the perimeter is talking about the perimeter of the figure here. That's the perimeter. It's a little bit ugly. I'm going to erase that. But that's what the perimeter is all about. So if we're trying to find the perimeter of that figure, I know that I have a side of 12 and I have 5 sides. So my perimeter calculation would be 12 times 5, or 60. Okay? So I'll put that up here. So I have 1/2 times 8.3 times 60. I need to put that into my calculator. 1/2 is 249. Now this would be square centimeters. Okay? So that's my formula. That's my calculation for my base. Now the height here is going to be the height of the prism. And you'll see that that's like this length here. Okay? So the height of my prism will be shown as the height from the bottom base to the top base, and that over there is 11. So for my prism, I'll have volume is equal to big B times H. Big B, of course, is 249. And my height is 11. Okay? So I need to multiply that times 11. I end up with 2,739 cubic centimeters.